Today we're going to look at a pictorial display that the children have created about their favourite fruit. We're going to use the information to create a simple graph on Excel. So the children have chosen their favourite fruit and placed it within the pictorial display. Okay, so we're going to open the Excel app. And once we have that open, we're going to want to open a blank workbook. Okay, so once you have your Excel workbook open, you're going to want to insert the information from the pictorial display. So we're going to type into our first box the green group's favourite fruit. And then we're going to put down here the type of fruit and the number of children. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make the columns a little bit wider so that we can see the full information there. Okay, so the type of fruit that we had bananas, apples, strawberries and melon. So I'm going to put that information in. Banana, apple, strawberry and melon. Now, bananas had 3. Children chose bananas as their favourite fruit. Apples had 5. Strawberry had 4. And melon had 2. So I've now inserted all of that information. And now what I'm going to do is highlight the boxes that have got the information in it. So I'm just going to drag that down. And then what I want to do from that is insert up at the top. And I want to insert a chart, so just over here. And then I'm going to click on recommended and I'm going to choose the first chart there. So what I've got now is I have got a chart displaying the information gathered from the pictorial representation. I'm going to change the chart title to say Green Group's favourite fruit. And there we have it. I can change the colours of the bars as well by going into colours, and I might decide to go with different colours. I might go for yellow, so you can let the children decide the colour scheme as well. Okay, so now that we have created the graph on Excel and we have the pictorial display as well, we can ask the children effective questions about the information that's gathered. So we might ask, which fruit did most children vote for as being their favourite? Which fruit did the least number of children vote for as being their favourite? We might ask, how many apples are there in total? How many children chose melon? And asking the children to show other people the data. So this is the green group's favourite fruit. We could share that with the other groups to compare how many children in the other groups chose apples or how many children in the other groups chose bananas. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you.